Hi and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This one is good for the end of summer. I'm going to show you what to do with your Thieves Dish Soap. Yeah, it's not just for dishes. We can actually do other stuff with it. Pretty cool. Now remember, if you have questions, reach out to me. I have no problem answering questions. In fact, I love them and encourage them. I'm going to get you guys to tell me your favorite recipes with Thieves Dish Soap in the comments below. Right? Let me know what you do and how the creative ways you're using the Thieves Dish Soap. So right now, I'm going to go over grill cleaner. So all you really need to do for a really good chemical-free grill cleaner is do a 1/4 cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of our Thieves Dish Soap, 5 to 10 drops of lemon, and about a tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. Put that all together and create like a paste. Brush that onto your grill, let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and simply scrub off with either a grill brush or a scouring pad. Done is done. Rinse with water at the end, and you are good to go. Nice clean grill. Also chemical free because what you put on your grill goes into their food. Think about that. Not everything gets burnt off, as you know, because you're cleaning your grill. Right? We don't want chemicals in our food, especially when we're putting raw meat right on the barbecue. So this is a real good chemical-free way to use a plant-based product and clean your grill, and it's a win-win, right? Another tip, actually, with lemon oil, of course, good old lemon, like a Swiss Army knife itself, right? Put a couple of drops in your dishwasher, right? Whatever you're using for dish soap, for your dishwasher, they do have a Thieves dishwasher soap available in the States, and we have the dish soap up here in liquid form in Canada. Put a couple of drops of lemon in there. It will clean your dishwasher out. Again, you're not using a chemical cleaner to clean your dishwasher. We're using natural products, right? This is made from cold pressed lemon peel, like just the peel, the rind, right? And you can't get any cleaner than a lemon, for crying out loud. And it smells nice, and your dishwasher will thank you, right? Now, it will not take the bits that fall on the bottom. You have to do that, right? It's not a miracle worker. So get in there and get those bits out. Keep your dishwasher clean from skanky smells and anything else, bacteria that builds up in a dishwasher. Use your lemon, right? Okay, so that was just a quick little excerpt to get you through to the end of summer. We're going back to school. We need to get things shut down for summer and built into the fall. So let's do these few things, right? Of course, Thieves Dish Soap can be used as a dish soap, right? I take about this much, just a little FYI. I take about this much. See how much is left in here? I put a little bit of baking soda in it because apparently in this house, if it doesn't bubble, it doesn't work. So natural products tend not to bubble as much. So I put a little baking soda in there, probably about a teaspoon of baking soda. Just kind of put it in the top, fill the rest with water, and that's what I use. So you see how much I'm using, right? Dilute, dilute, dilute. These things come concentrated. So there you go. Use that as your dish soap. All right. Now, if you like what I'm doing, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss another video. And hit that bell. The bell is just a notification going, hey, Jax dropped another video. I totally want to see this. Why? Because she's creative and fun. Yay! I tell you how to use your oils, get the most out of them, and save money, right? Let's do this together. Now remember to go to the person who sent you here for any information that you need for getting these products, or if you don't have an oil person, my website will be right here, and I'm definitely happy to talk to you. I can definitely be your oil lady. All right? Now, please don't forget to put your recipes on how you use the Thieves Dish Soap and even the Thieves Cleaner in the comments below. We all learn together, right? So sharing your tidbits and tricks that work for you. I will see your name, and if it's awesome, I'm going to ask your permission and give you a shout out in one of these videos. We all got to work together, right? All right, until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.